JNU, and that too in tribal studies. And I was wondering what professor in tribal studies is going to talk about artificial intelligence, because we all look at tribals and the primitive communities as primitive, as if they have no knowledge at all, they have no brains at all. But Dr. Nautiyal and Dr. Mandal, they have laid a very strong foundation. But I think the most important area which this platform, ICRA, and all of us who are associated with ICRA directly or indirectly can do is touch those who have been earlier called as untouchables. If we are able to actually reach out to that community, which is perhaps in size bigger than the entire United States, then we will be actually doing something really remarkable. A social transformation or a social revolution can only happen if we touch those who have not earlier been given the opportunity to come out and show their intelligence, show their strength. I have interacted with hundreds and thousands of them across the entire country. I have spoken to people from about 700 odd communities over the 30 odd years of my career with GST, and primarily the children. And I realized that the child, particularly the child who has not got exposure, is the best platform for you to tap, because his or her is a very nascent mind, and if that mind can be tuned and trained to think about artificial intelligence, then intelligence and artificial intelligence combined can actually change and transform the way things will happen in times to come. India has taken a lead in AI. We are amongst the top 5-7 countries who have actually started training people in artificial intelligence and also learning about more about artificial intelligence. And launching of a magazine like Future Tech will be one of the biggest and most firm step forward. Only thing is, like I was telling Kalpana today morning, that the magazines, hundreds of magazines get started in this country almost every day, and about 90% of them fall by the wayside within the very first year. And that's true statistics. If you go to the registrar of newspapers, they will be able to tell you that over a few thousand magazines and newspapers and these publications fall by the wayside within the very first year of its launch. That is the precaution we have to take. All of us, it is our moral responsibility today to strengthen the hands of Raj and Alpana, so that this magazine not only just becomes a readable magazine like and enjoyable magazine like Science Reporter, which my friend Manoj is the managing editor, but it becomes an adjunct to Science Monitor and Science Reporter, because unless we are able to talk about technology and its finer aspects and in common man's language, the magazine will not find many readers, and it will not find many takers. The science communication aspect of Future Tech will have to be taken very seriously, and we were talking about this today morning, we all pledge to give you the support of Raj, because this is our moral responsibility to ensure that not only this magazine prospers, but it also reaches out to every nook and corner, and hopefully we also have vernacular editions in times to come. Because like I said in the beginning, those who are there in the remote areas, those who remained untouched by the developmental activities are now getting connected. The optical fiber cable, other day, Honorable Minister was informing, was only 276 kilometers long in this country when the current NDA government took over. And presently, it has crossed 2.5 lakh kilometers. So we have the reach now. And through that reach, if we are able to actually reach out, then only our outreach will make a difference. Our country is actually aspiring to become the superpower, and this is going to be the biggest platform. And ICRA's first two letters, AI, actually is artificial intelligence. So let's actually convert that AI into artificial intelligence and let ICRA actually get recognized as the strongest, biggest, and the most appropriate platform for promoting such initiatives. Thank you for joining us in this very interesting, very informative, very innovative, and very challenging initiative. And my not only best wishes are with you all, we also pledge that we will stand with you in every which way to ensure that we are able to make a difference and make our country stronger, not only in our community of nations, but in the entire, let's not globe, in the entire universe. Because artificial intelligence is going to be a universal phenomenon. Thank you very much, Jai Hind.